How does the drug dramatically speed up skin healing? The answer reveals a surprising way your body can repair itself faster than you ever imagined. This drug tricks your cells into overdrive. This drug works by stimulating your skin cells, especially keratinocytes and fibroblasts, to multiply faster. These cells are essential for building new tissue and collagen. By accelerating their growth, the drug essentially supercharges your skin's natural healing process. Instead of slowly building new skin, your body ramps up production and seals wounds quickly. Another key way the drug speeds healing is by enhancing blood flow to the injured area. Better circulation means more oxygen and essential nutrients reach your skin cells. This fuels the repair work and removes waste products faster. The drug may act by dilating blood vessels or promoting new capillary growth, making the healing environment ideal. Inflammation is a normal part of healing, but excessive inflammation can slow the process and cause damage. This drug helps keep inflammation in check by regulating immune responses. By calming swelling and redness, it creates a more balanced environment for cells to rebuild skin without disruption. Collagen is the main structural protein that gives skin its strength and elasticity. This drug triggers your fibroblasts to produce more collagen faster. That means the new skin formed is not only quicker, but also stronger and less prone to scarring. The drug essentially rebuilds a tougher, healthier barrier for your body. So this remarkable drug speeds up skin healing by stimulating cell growth, increasing blood flow, reducing inflammation, and enhancing collagen production. These combined effects supercharge your body's natural repair system. If you found this fascinating, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.